When it comes to enhancing your Sugar Land home's curb appeal, few upgrades make as significant an impact as new windows. Windows serve as both functional and aesthetic elements of your home, influencing its energy efficiency, security, and overall appearance. Whether you're looking to sell your property or simply want to refresh its exterior, replacing outdated or worn-out windows can provide a dramatic transformation. Here's how new windows can boost your home's curb appeal and add long-term value. Fresh and modern aesthetic. Outdated or damaged windows can make your home look aged and neglected. By installing new windows with sleek designs and contemporary finishes, you can instantly modernize your home's exterior. Many homeowners in Sugar Land opt for styles like double-hung, casement, or picture windows to give their properties a fresh and polished look. With a variety of frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and wood, you can choose windows that perfectly complement your home's architecture. Enhanced natural light and views. New windows not only improve the look of your home from the outside but also enhance the interior by allowing more natural light to enter. Larger or strategically placed windows can brighten up your living spaces, making them feel more inviting and spacious. Additionally, if your home has scenic views, installing expansive windows, such as bay or bow windows, can help highlight the beauty of your surroundings. Improved energy efficiency. Many older windows lack proper insulation, leading to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Today's energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption. Not only will these upgrades make your home more comfortable, but they will also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers if you ever decide to sell. Customization to match your home's style. New windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to customize them to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you have a traditional, colonial, ranch, or modern home, you can find windows that blend seamlessly with your exterior. From bold black window frames that create a striking contrast to classic white or wood tone finishes, the right windows can enhance your home's character and charm. Increased property value. Investing in new windows can provide a solid return on investment by boosting your home's market value. Potential buyers in Sugar Land appreciate move-in-ready homes with modern, energy-efficient upgrades. By replacing old windows, you demonstrate that your home is well maintained and up to date, making it more attractive to buyers and potentially increasing its resale value. Better security and safety. New windows are designed with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials to enhance your home's security. Reinforced glass and impact-resistant options can help protect your home from extreme weather conditions, which is especially important for homeowners in Texas. Upgrading to secure, high-quality windows provides peace of mind and adds another selling point to your property. Lower maintenance requirements. If your current windows require constant painting, scraping, or sealing, switching to newer models can significantly reduce maintenance time and costs. Many modern windows feature materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. This means you'll spend less time on upkeep while ensuring your home continues to look its best. Upgrade your Sugarland home with beautiful new windows. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall value. If you're ready to enhance your home's appearance and functionality, consider investing in high-quality, stylish windows that suit your needs and aesthetic preferences. If you're looking for expert advice or professional window installation in Sugarland, reach out to a trusted local window company. The right windows can make all the difference, transforming your home into a standout property in your neighborhood.